Okay, I was careful, see? Got it out. I have to pull the nails out. And this piece is all loose, see? See here? It's all loose, so I'm going to take the nails out and re-glue it and drill it and get all those things back into place. Peel off any bits of loose paint and stuff. I'll have to remember that's like that so I don't step on any nails. And then I'm going to come up here and you see, here's the fascia. See how loose it is? See? Look at that. It's just shaking. Okay, so we've gotta bolt that in the right place. See, here's a little block again. See how the nail before was right there, it's split. And this is split up there because it's just a little block because there's another 2x4 that goes out to the fascia board nailed off of that. And so this block isn't very long. So see, this is where the wood is going to be on the wall, not there. There's the plywood, the OSB plywood on the outside of the wall before they nailed the stucco wire on there and all that. Okay, so I don't want to bolt to there. I don't want to get too far over. But here, I've got this, and that's right where I'm going to drill it. And I'm going to put a lag bolt in there just like I did the other side, drilling with the paddle bit first, then the other one, and then I'll attach that with my impact drill. And see, this is loose. This nail's not doing anything, so I know it's going to push right in. These are pushed way out. See how far this is pushed out at an angle? Well, I don't want to try to screw this together until I first put a bolt in there, okay? I'll put that in. That's going to suck it up. Hopefully, it sucks it all the way to that stucco, and I'm pretty sure it's going to. And I think we'll still have a gap there. Then I could probably pre-drill a hole there and put a 3-inch long screw in there and push the rest of that over that way as far as I can. Okay, that's my next part of the project. Okay, hopefully you can see this. I'm going to leave the camera right there. I have not bolted this yet. You can see there's a gap up there. Got my impact wrench, drill. I get it. You must be hitting a knot or a nail back in there because this is still loose. What's happening here? I don't know what's happening, but you know, since I have that ratchet set, I'm gonna try that and see what's up. Okay, stick around. I can get it tighter than that.